What are you trying to do? What are you working on?
I'm working on a computer and playing one more.
Yeah?
Yes.
Okay. Do you want my help?
You don't need my help.
You don't need my help? What are you typing?
I guess I'm 9 more.
Okay. Where'd Grammy and Champa go today?
Which one, Tampa?
They drove home, right?
There's no. Well, I try to find one more.
Well, I'd like to find it for you, but you won't let me. Will you let me try to find it? Okay, well then, keep trying. Why don't you sing it?
I'm not saying that.
Okay, why don't you sing Ring Around the Rosie?
I'm not saying when we're on the Rosie.
What about Ba Ba Black Sheep? Huh? What about Ba Ba Black Sheep?
No, I don't, Mom. Don't do it, Mama.
Well, let me close this
Cause
off.
I know.
Okay, well, then I'm just going to leave you here to work, okay? I'll see you later.
Okay.
Bye.
It's Mom. Who's on there?
You are. I'm taping you.
Look.
Tell me a story.
Cause are this rail on there?
Huh?
Are this rail?
It's Will on here, yes.
Can I see him? Mom, can I see him?
Well, you can't really see him on here. If you turn it around, do you see Mama?
Where's my dad?
I don't know. Can you see me?
Mom, where's your dad?
I'm videotaping myself.
Oh.
Do you see me on the screen?
Yeah.
Yeah, well, I'm going to turn so that I can see you. Hi. Hi, little man.
That's little man.
Who's a little man? Will you let me get that one thing off the computer?
No.
And then you'll be able to do more stuff?
Mm-mm.
You won't let me help you?
Don't help me.
Are we going to watch Bubble Guppies?
I don't want to watch Bubble Guppy time. It's when one roar.
Well, will you let me get Lion Roar?
Cause I didn't get one roar.
Well, how come it's taken you so long?
Cause I did get one roar.
Okay, type it up. What'd you find? What are you finding? Who sings the song Roar, Lion, Roar? Who always sings it?
Me.
You? Okay, who taught it to you?
Tampa.
Yeah, Champa did, huh? Do you remember what university it's the fight song for?
I know.
Columbia?
Columbia.
Yeah.
That's cool.
Why don't you sing it for us?
No, I don't sing it.
Okay, well sing something for me.
Ring around a rosie's pocket full of posies, asses, we all fell down.
Good job. What about another song?
There's a paper.
Yep.
Is that my paper?
Well, you're working, so it must be. How old are you?
Mine's gonna be 2.
Oh, I thought you already were 2. Aren't you already 2? Yeah. You're busy at work.
Yes.
How much money you get paid? Well,
What?
how much do you get paid an hour? How much money?
And no.
You don't know? What's the name of your company? Will, what's the name of your company, Boo Boo?
And no.
What are you trying to do?
I just get in my roller.
You're just what?
What's that?
Well, that's what I wanted to get rid of. Can I get rid of it?
No, get cause go up there. Go back.
Well, go back.
That says go back.
Go back.
What's that? There's a clock one. There's another clock and another clock.
Yeah. Those are called icons.
What are they called?
Icons.
Icons?
Yeah.
Yes. Oh, that's good too. I recognize that. Mom, get my ruler.
Do you want me to help you?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll help you. Ready? Say, see you later.
See you later.